out what I'm doing.
What?
All right, ready? Continue, go.
Can you please shut up?
Why are you being so rude to me? You're loud! Oh! I didn't know that.
And veg out. And after that run, whilst you might not have enjoyed it, you just feel like a different person. So forcing myself to do exercise is something that I have to do. Otherwise, it's really powerful. Setting goals, and we'll get back to that in a minute, because what I want to do at the end of this, before we go, is I want you guys to set yourselves a couple of goals, just for the term, just for the quarter. Sorry, and we'll follow up on that.
Use this myself, that's how new it is. If you click on priority, it creates this thing here called workspaces. So I'm starting to work on a thing for our department, INS, called workspaces. So here, I can add different folders. So if you click on a folder, you can...
So notice the bottom of the board in the photo, right? This thing right here, on the screen, the grid allows me to straighten that up and make sure that I take a straight photograph, right? Not this or this, right? Sometimes those are good, but this allows me